Okay, for our ongoing class, we're loving the pentatonic scale. And what we're doing is I'm just going to do a play-along video where I'm doing just the first two stanzas of Hound Dog in the key of C, 1-4-5, C, F, and G7, 12-bar blues. And you can use the C pentatonic scale to improvise over the whole thing, or snag a note or two or three and do a fill. And add a blues note to the scale if you want. And you might want to ask yourselves, well, for doing the C pentatonic scale, what's a really cool little blues note? Is it E flat? Ooh, and the E flat is on the C string, 3rd fret. So there it is. Put a star right there. That's that little blues note if we're doing a C pentatonic. We'll do it the same tempo as the one before. 100 beats per minute, a little shuffle. So let me just I'm going to give us a 4-bar intro. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit, you ain't no friend of mine again. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Ooh, you ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit, you ain't no friend